Welcome to our series of video in factoring polynomials. The goal of this video, factoring using distributive property of multiplication. When I multiply 2 times a, I get 2a, and when I multiply 2 times b, I get 2b. When we factor 2a minus 2b, the common factor is 2, means 2 times the binomials a minus b. When I multiply 4 times x, I get 4x. And 4 times 2, I get 8. 4 times x, I get 4x, and 4 times 2, I get 8. When I factor 4x plus 8, the common factor between 4x and 8 is 4. I take the 4 outside, and I open bracket, x plus 2, and I close the bracket. When you factor 6x plus 12, the common factor is 6. Open bracket. 6 times x, I get 6x. And 6 times 2 to get 12. 6 times x, I get 6x. 6 times 2, I get 12. To multiply 5 times a minus b means 5 times a. I get 5a minus, and 5 times b. When I factor 5a minus 5b, I get 5 open bracket a minus b. To factor 8a plus 8b, the common factor is 8 here. And here is a plus b. When you multiply 8 times a, I get the first term. When you multiply 8 times b, I get the second term. To multiply 3x times x plus 2, 3x times x times x squared, means answer here 3x squared. Plus, this is first time first, I get the first term. When I multiply 3x times 2, 3 times 2, I get 6. 6x. 3x times 2, I get 6x. When I factor 3x squared plus 6x, I take 6x common outside, 3x outside times x plus 2. Because the common factor between 3 and 6 is 3. 3. And you have x squared and you have x to the power of 1 here. This means 1. Power of 1 here. I take the lowest power. I take x. Means the common factor here is 3x open parentheses x plus 2. To factor 4x squared plus 8x, the common factor here is 4. Between 4 and 8 is 4. Between x and x squared, or x to the power of 1 and x to the power of 2, I take the lowest power. Means the common factor is 4x. Open bracket. 4x times what? I get 4x squared. 4x times x. Plus 4x times what? To get 8x. 4x times 2. To get 8x. 4x times x, I get 4x squared. 4x times 2, I get 8x. To factor 4a minus 20, the common factor between 4a and 20, the only 4. Because 4 divisible by 4 and 20 divisible by 4. Open bracket. And 4 times what to get 4a? which is 4 times a, minus 4 times what to get 20? 4 times 5. This is equal. When you multiply 4 times a, I get 4a. When you multiply 4 times 5, you get 20. You have a plus a squared. I need to factor this. Because this means a to the power of 1 and a to the power of 2, I take the lowest power. I take a common factor, open bracket. A times what to get a? A times 1. Because 5 times 1 give me 5. 6 times 1 give me 6. Means a times 1 you get me a. Plus a times what to get a square? A times a. If I use distributive property, I multiply a times 1, you get the first term. You multiply a times a, you get the second term. A times a, you get a square. The common factor between a and a square also here is a. Open bracket. A times 1, I get a. The difference here just the minus. And here is a. If I use distributive property, a times 1, I get a minus. A times a, I get a square. You have 3b squared plus 12. The common factor is 3 here between 3 and 12. Because 3 divisible by 3 and 12 divisible by 3. The common factor is 3. You have b square and b. I take the lowest power because here means 1. b to the power of 1. Means 3b is the common factor. Open bracket. 3b times what to get 3b squared? 3b times b. 3b times b, I get 3b times b. 3b times b, I get 3b squared plus 3b times what to get 12? 3 times 4. 3b times 4, I get 12b. To check my answer, I use the distributive property. 3b times b, I get 3b squared. 3b times 4, I get 12b. I need to factor 42y minus 7. What is the common factor between 42 and 7? Because I think 6 times 7, okay, means the 7 here is the common factor. To find the number, multiply here by multiply by 7, I get 42, which is 42. Sorry, is 42 divided by 7, you get 6. Okay, means here 6 here, 6y. When you divide 42 divided by 7, this one, you get 6. It means 6 here, 6y minus 1. If I use distributive property, 7 times 6, I get 42y. And 7 times 1, 7 times 1, 7 times 1, I get 7. This is your homework. Please try this in your own. And I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.